I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a single, focused notebook for this subject so everything stays centralized. Open OneNote, hit New Notebook, and name it with the project or class for quick retrieval. Then add sections for major topics. Those act like folders. Once done, create pages and subpages inside the relevant section, and always put a clear title and date on each page so search finds it instantly. This structure makes retrieval faster and prevents scattered notes across multiple notebooks. Now focus on capturing content cleanly. Type concise headings, use bullets for lists, and create tables to align data. Use tags like to do and important to surface tasks and priorities during review. When you add images, screenshots, or meeting printouts, insert them inline and add a short caption so context stays with the asset. Once items accumulate, use search and the tag summary to find action items quickly. Also make sure to sync frequently so edits on other devices merge correctly. Finish each session by refining. Add internal links to related pages so you can jump between resources, and apply a page template for consistency. Once done, archive completed pages into an archive section rather than deleting them. That preserves history. Also sync to OneDrive and export a periodic backup as PDF or OneNote package for long-term safety. If syncing fails, check storage quota and network. Sign out and back in or force a manual sync to resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.